Good morning, everyone. Today is 19th October 2025. Today we are loading an rotary crusher for paddy straw to India. We are loading our rotary crusher to our India client. As you can see, this crusher with an 55 kilowatt electric motor. The capacity for this machine is 3 tons per hour. The input big hopper is with 2.2 meters diameter. So that means that you can put your big square or round straw bale to this crusher. Inside the crusher, we fit with 102 pieces of cutting blade. The output for this crusher is 3 to 5 centimeters. With the output, we also have an 2 meters belt conveyors. This can transfer the powder material smoothly. This crusher is very popular using in India right now because the paddy straw is so huge amount. This machine with a lower investment, easy maintenance, and competitive price for the spare parts for this blade. You can use this machine for longer lifetime. And after crushing the paddy straw from this machine, the straw pieces will go to a hammer mill for grinding work, and then you can make a straw pellet. Okay, everyone. If you have any interest in Longze large rotary crusher, please send your requirement to our team. Okay. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.